we made it to Little Sahara. This is Saturday, March 9th, about 2 o'clock, a little after. So we came from Kansas and we just drive it in the day and then kind of ride in the afternoon. But we will be here throughout the weekend, actually through Monday, I think, if nothing changes. But my dad's here. He's riding with Jeff in the Talon right now, and then got Keith in his RS1, and Dave is in his Pioneer 1000. He actually already went out, kind of cruising around, I think, right over the hill. Yeah, I got this thing fixed up from our ride at Riverside. If you guys didn't watch that, had a little mishap, but got the bumper straightened out. The mounts aren't as strong as they were before because we kind of had to heat them and bend them. I'll find a more permanent solution once we get back to Kansas and have some shop time. But also got a Vito's Performance rear grab bar and some performance stickers from the Wheeler Brothers. I also didn't mention this, but they designed the new channel logo too. So definitely, if you need any design stuff done, I'll put a little card up. You guys can go check them out. Okay, I guess I'm leading. See how rough it is. Still got my Jogaka shocks running. Been loving them. That's really steep. I think it rained here yesterday, so the sand's actually still pretty stiff, but the open dunes are pretty choppy. for him. And we're just going to make our way back. The exit, whatever you want to call it. Okay, everybody, we are headed back out to the dunes. We got Keith's fender flare put back on, just those push pins that everybody hates. Honda uses them, Polaris uses them. Yamaha doesn't use the same exact ones, but they are similar. So, you know, those break, do whatever. So, they do carry them at the Power Sports store down here, so we should be all good to go. And it's about 4 o'clock. We're going to go out and have a nice evening ride. Got a little jumpy there. Okay, we're headed over to the hill climbs. Just took a break. There's some pretty steep stuff over here. Actually, I shouldn't say that. It varies a lot because it's kind of out in the open. There's not a lot of trees for wind coverage, but there is some stuff over here that can be very steep. So we're gonna give it a shot. That's untracked. Oh, we're gonna turn. I don't think we were gonna make that one. That was a little bit steep. Okay, we are going to snake our way back to the truck. That is steeper than I thought it was. Thank you for watching the video. We're gonna load up and head to the hotel. So we still got all day tomorrow and probably part of a day Monday. So should be a good time, and thank you for watching.